Module Online Learning. Title: Example for bibliometric analysis in VOSviewer, a co-occurrence analysis of keywords. Hi, in this video I will show you an example of a bibliometric analysis, namely a co-occurrence analysis of keywords in VOSviewer. Please note that I will use the previously downloaded bibliographic data from the Web of Science database, where the search terms were based on mathematical analysis and economics. First, open VOSviewer, then choose Create, and the second option, indicating that you will use the previously downloaded bibliographic data. Then, choose the option for data files from the Web of Science database. Upload the data you have previously downloaded. For the type of analysis, I will choose the co-occurrence analysis, and for the unit of analysis or item of analysis, I will choose all keywords. I want to show keywords which occur at least 10 times in the bibliographic data extracted from the Web of Science database. This will give me a bibliometric network with 70 items, meaning 70 most occurring keywords with at least 10 occurrences. For each keyword represented as a node in the bibliometric network, the weights of co-occurrence links with other keywords are calculated. You can further reduce the number of nodes to be presented in the network. I will present all of the 70 keywords. In the next step, the keywords are listed together with their occurrence number and link strength. You can further filter keywords here under the Select option. You can also extract this table and report it with the bibliometric network, which will be created in the next step. You need to right-click on the table and select Export Selected Keywords. Now, click Finish. The co-occurrence network of keywords is created. Now you can modify your network before saving. For example, you can change the scale and the type of weights applied. You can change the scale of labels and the representation of nodes, as well as adjust length and choose a font. You can also modify the size variation for lines or their appearance. Furthermore, you can modify colors. If you hover over a node, you can see its immediate links, and you can zoom in and zoom out from the network. Next, you may choose a different appearance to the network. You can use the overlay visualization based on the average publication year, for example. You can also present the density visualization. Returning to the standard network visualization, under the tab Items, you can filter the desired item or explore the clusters. Under the tab Analysis, you can modify the appearance of the network by choosing different normalization method, layout parameters, cluster parameters, or simply rotate the network. For example, let's modify the network a bit. Finally, you can save your network on the tab file. Thank you.